So today's topic of choice we're going to talk about is National Immunization Schedule. Now, immunization schedule, very importantly, two types of schedule we have. We have the NIS, that is National Immunization Schedule, and we have the IAP Immunization Schedule. NIS is National Immunization Schedule, and IAP, very importantly, that is the Indian Academy of Pediatrics Schedule. Indian Academy of Pediatrics Schedule. Okay. Now, we're going to talk about very importantly National Immunization Schedule. Now, it's simple, basic. We all know that because the question comes from the National Immunization Schedule. So, something we give at birth, and then we have 6 weeks, 10 weeks, and 14 weeks. I'll tell you in a very simple way. Birth, we give BCG, OPV, and hepatitis B. BCG, OPV, and hepatitis B we give. Okay. BCG we try to give before discharge. And hepatitis B basically we give within 24 hours of the birth. Okay. BCG, OPV, and hepatitis B. BCG we have to make sure we give before discharge, before the baby discharges. Hepatitis B is given within 24 hours of life. And same like OPV. Okay. OPV. BCG, OPV, and Hep B. Now, 6 weeks, 10 weeks, and 14 weeks, we have a mnemonic that is premature rupture of membrane. There was a topic in Gynae PROM, premature rupture of membrane. So, what do we give at 6 weeks, 10 weeks, and 14 weeks? Remember something known as Penta 1, Penta 2, Penta 3, R for Rota 1, Rota 2, Rota 3, and O for OPV 1, OPV 2, OPV 3. Penta is nothing but Pentavac. You can say Pentavac 1, 2, 3. Rota for rotavirus 1, 2, 3. And OPV, oral polio vaccine, OPV 1, OPV 2, OPV 3. Apart from premature rupture of membrane, PROM, one extra, like two P's extra, I want you guys to remember. Two P's which are given at 6 weeks and given at 14 weeks. Okay. Which is nothing but PCV 1 and PCV 2, fractional IPV 1 and fractional IPV 2. Fractional IPV 1 and fractional IPV 2. PCV is pneumococcal vaccine 1, pneumococcal vaccine 2. FIPV is fractional IPV 1 and fractional IPV 2. Okay, simple and sweet to the point. Okay, so I'll repeat again. Today's topic of choice we're going to talk about is vaccines, and this is the latest national immunization schedule that you should know. And the mnemonic is over here is premature rupture of membrane, and an extra piece which is given at 6 weeks and given at 14 weeks. Okay, that is one thing must appreciate for the exam purpose. If I show you the proper one, this one. Now see, there's something known as National Immunization Schedule and something known as IAP, Indian Academy of Pediatrics Schedule. Now the National Immunization Schedule, as I told you, at birth, you will give BCG, OPV, and Hep B. OPV, now oral polio vaccine, we are using bivalent oral polio vaccine. Previously, we were using trivalent oral polio vaccine. Trivalent oral polio vaccine has three components P1, P2, and P3. And in bivalent oral polio vaccine, only two components is there P1 and P3, and the P2 component was removed. The P2 component was removed because that was interfering in the immune response and the immunity. That is why the P2 component was removed. Now, this is the exam question. The switch of trivalent to OPV to bivalent OPV, which component was removed? The answer is P2. And when this thing was declared on 25th of April. On 25th of April, the switch of trivalent OPV to bivalent OPV was done. This is also MCQ 25th of April, and P2 component was removed. That also is the MCQ. Then I told you very importantly regarding the 6 weeks, 10 weeks, 14 weeks, Penta 1, Penta 2, Penta 3, Rota 1, Rota 2, Rota 3, OPV 1, OPV 2, OPV 3. Then 2P, I told you PCV 1, PCV 2, and FIP 1, FIPV 2. Now, this FIP 1 and FIPV 2, this PCV 1 and PCV 2, so PCV 3 and FIPV 3 are given at 9 months of life. Okay, so PCV 1, PCV 2, PCV 3. FIP 1, FIPV 2, and FIPV 3. Always forever next 50 years of your life. Very smoothly, you should remember. And also, very importantly, we all know before we used to give MMR1 and MMR2, measles, mumps, rubella. Now, mumps cases has been are reduced in India. That is why in our hospital we are getting a lot of cases. But now, as the national guideline says that now we are giving MR1 and MR2, measles, rubella 1, that is MR1, and measles, rubella 2. Okay. So MR1 is given at 9 months of life, and around 1.5 year, 16 to 18 months, MR2 is given. And there comes very importantly, very simple JE1, Japanese encephalitis 1 and Japanese encephalitis 2. And very importantly, what is the strain? What is the strain used for Japanese encephalitis vaccine? That is Nakayama strain. Nakayama strain, MCQ. Nakayama strain is the strain used for JE vaccine, MCQ. Don't confuse Nakayama strain with Nagayama spot. Don't confuse Nakayama strain with Nagayama spot. Nagayama spot, it is seen in a case of sixth disease, which is also known as Roseola infectum. Okay, so it's very chilled out topic. Next important point must appreciate for exam purpose that now 1.5 year, all the booster doses are coming now. For example, oral polio vaccine, which in Hindi we say do boon zindagi ki. So the oral polio vaccine was given at birth, then 6 weeks, 10 weeks, and 14 weeks. Then the booster dose, it is given at 1.5 year of life, and then very importantly later, even at 5 years also we give the booster dose. The last booster dose we give basically at 5 years of life also we give the booster dose. Okay, according to IAP guidelines, the around 5 years we are giving the third booster dose also of the oral polio vaccine. Okay, done, finish. And then we have DPT 1 booster dose and DPT 2 booster dose at 5 years, and DPT 1 booster dose at 1.5 year of life. DTWP is diphtheria, tetanus, whole cellular pertussis, and diphtheria, tetanus, acellular pertussis, that is DTAP. Okay, that you should know. Nothing. Then at 10 years of life, it is nothing but TD, that is T for tetanus, and D for reduced dose of diphtheria. Small letter is there. And then this cervical cancer vaccine we are giving 10 year onwards, HPV. We have Gardasil 9, which is the latest vaccine coming over here. And Gardasil 9 also, we are giving like 0, 1, and 6. Okay. One vaccine today, one after 1 month, and one after 6 months. Okay. Finish. So this is the proper, beautiful national immunization schedule.